On pole position is yesterday's race winner and the new 11-year champion, Shreyas. Shreyas, so very happy that you won for race one?
Yeah, hoping for today also I can win.
That's the confidence these young boys have. He's not satisfied with his race win yesterday. All he wants is the race win today. Keep it up. All the best. So we have Shreyas on pole position and
5 seconds to go. Can Shreyas take a win? An absolutely firecracking start for Shreyas Harish there. What an incredible, he just shot off the start line. Look at the incredible pace that he's carrying into turn 1. Jinendra and P2 are qualifying second. Vignesh Gaud currently had a struggle start. He's out there in that mid-order. A horrendous start for him. Tough day at the office so far for him, but he's going to recover and come back. We've seen him work his way through that mid-pack and come back into podium contention. But it's this youngster, the youngest on this grid, the 11-year-old kid, Shreyas Harish, who's leading the charge from Bengaluru. I mean, incredible performance from him through this season. A tough round 1 for him. An even tougher round 2. But he's worked the niggles. And he's come back to dominate the second half of this season. Can he make this a double this round? All this and more in the next 6 laps. A flying start so far for Shreyas, with our championship leader Jinendra currently trailing in P2, but under pressure from Zenis and Chirant Vishwanath. Hard on the brakes there. Shreyas going into turn 8. Number 4 going slightly wide into turn 8 at the moment. This is definitely turning out to be a superb race. Such fine racing from these young boys and teenagers. We've got 2 girls in this grid, Aditi Krishnan on bike number 11 and Jagadishri, who had a fall yesterday. She crashed out of the race. She was in podium contention, but she missed out on that podium going to a crash yesterday. She started today's race in P12. She's got her work cut out for, but I already see her in that mid-order. Number 4. Putting the pressure on our race leader, Chirant Vishwanath. You cannot rule him out. A very, very fast racer himself. He qualified in pole yesterday and he's looking to make a comeback. He had a tough race 1. Race 2, he seems to be dominating. He seems to have the pace and he's pulling it in out. He's the only racer right now with a 2:10.807. He is the quickest on this grid. Can Shreyas Harish respond? Well, he's got the momentum. Out there he goes into turn 4. A very wide line going on the outside, taking our championship leader by surprise there. Oh, Chirant is on hyper ride right now. I'm not going to rule any of these kids out. They've got so much potential, so much in store. Our race leader right now coming under pressure from the mid-pack. We've got 4 bikes coming in contention for the podium at the moment. Look at that bunch. That's a top order bunch. We see drama in this lap 2. One of the bikes are down. Oh, horrendous crash there. He's back up and about. Marshal's waving the double yellow, signaling to the other riders that there's been an incident. No overtaking allowed in that section. Shreyas still keeping the dominating charge. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, a massive high side for one of the bikes there. Wow. Incident 2 in this lap 2. This is turning out to be a cracker of a race. This bike number 9, Vignesh Gaud, working his way back into the top order, into podium contention after a massive, tough start. Shreyas putting the fight back on. He's not going anywhere. Last time around, Vignesh Gaud clocked in the fastest with a 2:07.143. Stunning pace. There's Aditi Krishnan. We ride with her on bike number 11. Coming back after a collarbone injury recovery. She's been off the track for a while. Incredible move there from Shreyas. He goes on the outside and he takes Vignesh. That's bike number 4, Chirant Vishwanath, who was looking to have some absolute incredible pace this race. Massive high side for him. Tough day at the office. Oh, this has been a tough round for Chirant so far. I'm sure we're going to see him back stronger in the next round. He looks to be okay. He was limping, but the medical team is on it. Shreyas still holding the fort as the race leader. There's our championship leader putting pressure on Vignesh Gaud at the moment, moving into P2. I mean, the 11-year-old race leader here showing us what he can do. It doesn't matter. Pressure can break you or can make diamonds. Shreyas definitely showing us that he can make diamonds. He's under pressure now from the championship leader. Can Jinendra make the attack? As they come into the main straight, Shreyas still leading the charge comfortably. He's holding fort. He's keeping a very defensive line going into turn 1 at the moment. Bike number 9 yet again putting the pass on our championship leader. Jinendra under pressure completely. They're going back and forth. It's a 3-way fight into podium finish right now. Shreyas being challenged by Jinendra at the moment. Who's it going to be? Will it be the 11-year-old or the 12-year-old? All three of them very, very strong champions in the making. Look at that race. Side on side they go into turn 4. Shreyas getting the advantage into the apex of turn 4 at the moment. He takes the lead back and regains control over this race. A championship leader who came into round 3 with a clean sweep of 4 wins. Now, feeling the heat, feeling the pressure from the rest of the competition. And it's fair to say, all these youngsters have done some fine Class A++ racing this weekend. I'm really impressed with how Shreyas is keeping his head cool and responding to each and every attack from the rest of the pack. He's back on the inside, still not close enough for attack. Vignesh Gaud takes the charge for the race for the first time around, going slightly wide into turn 10, coming into turn 11 at the moment. This is the mid-order fighting it out for the top place. All three of our race contenders, our podium contenders, currently in the 2:07, consistently improving their lap times. They're getting faster as we speak. Shreyas coming on the outside at turn 1, not close enough to make that attack. Jinendra trying to make a pass at turn 2 there. I think he's a little too far off from Shreyas at the moment. But this is turning out to be a cracker of a race. We ride with bike number 10, who's coming under pressure from bike number 12. That's KR Thamarnian under pressure from Darun. We got 3 girls in this grid. Rakshita Dave, Aditi Krishnan and Jagadishri. They're also in that mid-order fight, fighting it out in this championship with the boys. Shreyas regains control of this race. This is where we've seen Vignesh really strong. It's this sector 2 that he's been able to come back with. Shreyas definitely the strongest out of the trio, out of sector 1. And he's managed to pull a further gap. And the young boy knows no fear. I mean, very mature racing from these 3 here. Vignesh going slightly wide, losing some momentum as they come into turn 9 at the moment with Jinendra in P2. It's anybody's race, folks. Don't take your eyes off the screen. Slight niggle there from Shreyas, but he manages to keep it steady. Changing the gears. Pulling everything he can out of his Apache RTR 200. Well, folks, you're witnessing the live action of the MRF MMSE FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2021. We're at round 3, day 2. This is the second race for the rookies in the TVS Apache RTR 200 class. And what a performance from these youngsters, these teenagers, these young boys. They do have a day job, they have to go to school. They got to hit the books when they're back at home. But the weekends, they're practicing, they're racing, they're becoming champions. Truly impressive feat from Shreyas. So far, he's held the fort down incredibly well. He's taking each corner as it comes. Vignesh now trying to break that defense of Shreyas at the moment. Jinendra still struggling in P3 at the moment. He's got the pace, but he needs a little more time, I think, to work his way around. There's Aditi Krishnan going into turn 1 at the moment. We're in the final lap. A few more corners remaining. Will we see a last corner shootout between these 3? Who said only the big boys can race? The youngest on this track are showing what masterclass racing is. Shreyas, Vignesh, Jinendra, the top 3 in this race. They've been going at it. Remarkable race so far from Vignesh. He had a tough start, but he's worked his way back up after losing quite a few places from that start into turn 10. 2 corners remain. Shreyas holding the fort. Incredible defense from Shreyas, the youngster, the youngest here, 11 years of age. Vignesh out putting the pressure. Not close enough to make the attack. Hard into the brakes. So late there from Shreyas. He's managed to keep it steady. The checkered flag awaits. Jinendra putting himself in P2. But it's Shreyas taking the win for the second time this weekend. What an incredible race from bike number 7. Shreyas Harish from Bengaluru.
It was nice. The race was very nice. Junendra and Vignesh and me had a very hard fight. And I especially thank my dad and my mom and my grandparents and my sisters. That because of them I've come so far. And I thank Eurogrip for the tires. It was gripping a lot. Yeah.
Youngest sensation on the track in 2021, the winner from Bengaluru, Shreyas Harish. Once again, we request Mr. Harry Sylvester to please come up on stage for the group photograph.